Okay, Audi Allroad, 2002 Audi Allroad air suspension control module is in the left side, driver's side of the rear. Now, if you want to get things apart without destroying them, I'm going to show you how it gets done. Some things were broken from a previous attempt, a previous owner. So I know what needs to be done to get it apart without breaking anything. And I also put my control module back in a different place where I can access it without having to tear the entire cargo compartment apart. So you're going to have to remove, well, actually, let's look at where it is originally. Originally, it sits in this compartment where my finger is, where I just left that clean spot where the dust was. That is the original spot that it sits in. Wires come out of this opening here, and wiring goes into the bottom. And it's impossible to get without taking this cover off. However, when all was said and done, and I put it back, I simply wedged it in this space behind that compartment. It fits nicely. I can get this plug out, and I can get the bottom plug out without too much trouble, and it will sit there rather nicely in that compartment, unless you have something there from another option, from another, if different vehicles have different options. So, how to get it apart. Take your chrome guard off that's on the back here. There's 4 Torx screws on the inside that come out. You have to take out your luggage tie down loops. That little loop, 2 screws, one in the corner there, one in the corner there, and eventually you're going to have to take out this luggage tie down that is in the side compartment. Obviously take out the cover for your spare, and then the other cover below it. If you own one, you'll know what I mean. Previous owner broke this styrofoam into several different pieces. I think this one was also broken. It looks like this edge is all snapped. But if you want to get it out in one piece, you have to pull these studs out for the spare seat. And then this piece of carpet will come up, and all the way out front is more styrofoam that will come up with it, and it comes out in one piece. Tilt it off to the side, pull it out, everything's good. Piece of wood that goes on top of the foam, same thing. Well, carpeted wood. It covers the styrofoam, goes all the way up front, comes down, and mine was snapped right here where it narrows down to like 2 inches wide. The previous owner tried to pull it out and snapped it. So, you don't notice it when it's in the car, but it is broken. So if you're kind of a stickler and don't want to break things, that's how you get it all out. Just I never had to pull these because the styrofoam was already broken. But my stack of stuff is right here. And I can't back up far enough to get it out. The cover with the broken piece here, but you don't notice it when it's installed. You'd never know it. So if you own one, you'll know what all these pieces are when you go to take it apart. Best of luck to you.